Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout with a very special unboxing today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Asus Republic of Gamers, or ROG, laptop. This is model GU501G. This is a Best Buy exclusive model. Sometimes you can find them from third-party sellers on things like Amazon and stuff like that. But according to Best Buy, it is a Best Buy exclusive. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it here. Been selling a couple things. I sold the Dell gaming laptop that I had, and if you can hear my dog, excuse that. Sold the Dell gaming laptop that I had and a couple other things, so that paid for this. Definitely a nice upgrade from the Dell. The Dell was an i5 with a 1050 Ti, I believe, a 1050 or 1050 Ti, I don't remember which. And this one is an i7 8th generation, so 8750H. with a 1TB hard drive and a 128GB PCIe SSD, 16GB of RAM. The Dell was 8. It comes with Windows 10, and it is a 1060, so we bumped up the graphics a bit. So definitely going to be a little bit better if I want to do some mobile editing and stuff like that. So very, very excited to check this out, and also very, very excited that the stuff I sold paid for it, so not really out of pocket any more than I was or wasn't. A lot of people want to know how I afford all this stuff, and that would be it. I saved up a little bit of money and I buy some things here and there, and then if there's something else that I want, I get rid of things I don't use and I sell them, and I make, you know, 50, 60, 70% of my money back, spend a little bit more money and get something new. So it really doesn't cost as much as it looks, which is really nice. Good thing about eBay. So let's see, the top doesn't look like there really is a top. It looks like there's another box in here, so I'm going to assume the logo side is the top. It appears there's another box in here, or boxes. So, yep, there's another box in here. It looks like there's a box off to the side as well, which is pretty nice. Let's see. I'm going to put that one aside real quick. Whew. I hate boxes that don't, like, stuff doesn't come out. Slam that down. Obviously it's not the laptop, so not too worried about it. Let's go ahead and open the small one first, because we know it's not the laptop. So much better of an unboxing experience from the previous ones I've bought. It looks like it folds open, but yes. Even the power adapter is nicely packaged. So it is pretty big, but it's not, you know, overall it looks pretty nice, rounded corners, stuff like that, to make it look a little better. 19.5 volts, 9.23 amps, 100 to 240 volts, so it is a universal adapter depending on where you are. And then right here we just have your power cable for the power brick. Literally that's all that box was the power cable. So that's pretty nice that they packaged it separately like that, instead of just throwing the laptop in the box and throwing the charger beside it. I don't have my knife with me. Let's see, I don't have my keys with me. There we go. Very, very nice. And the unboxing experience is definitely going to be indicative of the laptop. Sorry if you can hear my dog again. Okay, now that my dog has stopped, let's go ahead and take a look. What's that? There's the laptop. Once again, let's go ahead and check and see if anything else is in the box. Have a nice little package here. Ooh. Welcome to the Republic of Gamers. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's like a little Republic of Gamers keychain that came with it. That's a nice touch. G Series gaming notebook PC in search of incredible touch history manuals and stuff like that. So there's all that. How to charge it basically. I don't know if I see what you're talking, but there we go. Some stickers, which I've had a Republic of Gamers motherboard before, and they include stuff like that, so that's pretty nice. That looks like it is it for that box. Here is the computer itself. Definitely well made. Get it out of the plastic here. One thing I'm curious to see is if the SSD HDD combo are in one unit, or if it has an actual SSD and then a separate hard drive, which I'm hoping it does. That way I can upgrade the SSD to a bigger size later on. So here we go. Nice keyboard. Got your Intel i7 8th Gen, your GTX, your GeForce GTX badge right there. Nice keyboard. I'm not going to go ahead and boot it up yet because, like I said, I want to check and see what the deal is with the hard drive. But there's that. You got your volume, mic mute, and you have a Republic of Gamers little logo right there. Button. I don't know exactly what it does. Probably something that you can configure, which would be nice. Very nice screen. Not one of those super fancy ones with the super thin bezels or anything like that, but for what it is, very nice. Looks like it does attract some fingerprints right there. For ports, we have your power, HDMI, 3 USBs on this side, as well as your headphone mic combo right there, it looks like. And then on the other side, we have your Kensington lock slot if you want to lock this up somewhere. And then we also have a 4th USB and a USB Type 3, which serves as Thunderbolt as well. So if you have any Thunderbolt devices or anything like that, you can connect them to this computer, which is nice. So that is the Republic of Gamers. Let me get the model. The Republic of Gamers GU501GM B17N8. I'm sure the B17N8 is the model identifier for the Best Buy exclusive model. I'm sure there are other similar models to this that are sold elsewhere. Which if I find one that's similar, I will post it in the description, so you guys can check one out if you don't shop at Best Buy or something like that. But this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.